Welcome to Fly Over the Street, the channel where we show you buildings and landmarks on Google Street View. Parc des Oiseaux in Villars-les-Dombes, France. Parc des Oiseaux, located in Villars-les-Dombes, France, is a renowned bird park and one of Europe's most significant ornithological reserves. Established in 1970, the park spans over 35 hectares and provides a sanctuary for more than 3,000 birds from 300 different species, representing 5 continents. It is situated within the picturesque Dombes region, known for its natural wetlands, which create an ideal habitat for diverse avian species.